Yo, bro, you got a light? Bro, you got a light?
All right.
You got a light? Oh, this is good shit. So, hi YouTube, my name is Mario Galvez. I'm here with my friends Roland and Riley, cameraman, and we're gonna do some stupid shit tonight. We got a bucket of water and some fireworks.
Some low grade, hopefully safe fireworks.
Not illegal stuff.
They're old though, so they may be illegal.
And hopefully we'll see what my body can handle. So, right now I am getting ready to hold the fireworks in my hands.
And then just, we got, where do you want the others? Just so it's locked. Okay.
Okay, wait.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna stick this up. 2, 3. I mean, does it have protein though? Does it have good protein? I need that protein. I need those gains. I'm running pretty weak.
Dude, look, you need to put on some muscle, man.
We have the quality morsels and sauce with chicken. Grilled flavors and sauce with chicken. Morsels and sauce with chicken and rice.
Ooh, rice.
You want those carbs? You know?
Can dogs eat rice?
Chunks and gravy and chicken. Is that all?
That's
Is
it.
that it? Walmart, you doing me dirty, bro. Turkey and bacon. Turkey and fuck these two. I'm going with turkey and bacon. Oh my, strips and gravy. Fuck yeah,
Dude, strips.
we're going with this. So we bought our groceries. Riley got some iced tea, you know, to quench his thirst. And then we decided to go with the Olroy, turkey and bacon. We'll see how this tastes later. So we made it back from Walmart. We got this high quality dog food. It's only, dogs love it. Right, Della? Smells. Do you like it?
Yeah, she loves.
Oh yeah, she does.
Look at her
Ooh.
swag.
Ooh, she knows what's good for her. Listen to it. Listen. One, 2, 3. Oh my god!
Be a mama.
Oh, sorry, Della.
No. No more? No more. Wait, should I keep going?
That's up to you.
I mean, how much you got left?
This is for
You have all of it left.
my future YouTube subscribers. This is my first challenge ever for you guys. And I'm gonna go all out. I'm just gonna keep filling my mouth with this tender goodness.
I should ask. What else?
Della. Fuck that.
Alright. Well, today marks the day for humanity. Well, I don't know where I was going with that. I hope you guys like it. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll have more for you in probably the next couple days. See you guys.
So